G'day, Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. What a lovely mild summer it's been so far. The monsoonal rains of northern Queensland have eased. Storms have contracted inland, a couple of severe ones though over the next couple of days, but apart from that, at least in eastern areas, it should be pretty nice weather. Temperatures today across the Herbert, Burdekin, Townsville hit a high of 31 degrees with humidity 65%. Charters Towers got to 32 after a night on 21. Now, if you look first at the satellite loop, you'll see all that storm activity that sort of ravaged northern Queensland over the past few weeks has retracted very much north to Cape York Peninsula and the top end of the Northern Territory. Still pretty active there, and we do have a tropical low just around that area that's bringing a lot of moisture into Western Queensland. You can see that line of storms forming along a trough line through Western Queensland and coming very close to the southeast coast around the scenic rim and affecting the Darling Downs a little bit as well. Today's chart now, there's that inland trough I was just talking about, and there's what was the monsoon trough and has weakened into a garden variety system now, and that low, of course, on the Northern Territory. On tomorrow's chart, you can see it's a pretty lacklustre pattern along the east coast, just light southeast winds, nice boating weather. There is still that low in the Tasman Sea that's throwing out a decent swell. And now the latest from the BOM. The boating forecast for Townsville waters, southeast to east winds, just 10 to 15 knots tomorrow. Nice boating, but on Wednesday, Thursday, it picks up to 15 to 20 knots, a bit choppy. Another massive tidal peak expected late tomorrow morning, equal largest tide of the year on the back of Sunday's new moon. Fortunately, it's on its way down. The Herbert and Lower Burdekin, slight chance of a shower in the north only tomorrow. Townsville 24 to 32 degrees, Ayr also 32, Ingham 33. Northern Goldfields and Upper Flinders, showers and storms in the southwest only, with Charters Towers hitting 34 degrees and Georgetown 36. Looking ahead for Townsville, temperatures remaining near average and steady for the next 7 days. It'll start out mostly dry with an increasing risk of showers from Australia Day into the weekend. We're currently experiencing the biggest tides of the year, so let me explain how tides work. The moon's gravity pulls harder on the near side of the Earth than on the far side, so the Earth gets contorted into a football shape, with the ocean bulging on both ends. The Earth rotates through these bulges, giving us 2 high tides and 2 low tides each day. Now, the biggest tidal range occurs on the full or new moon when the sun's alignment reinforces the lunar tide. We call this a spring tide, and it's happening right now. On the half moon, we get the neap tides, which produce much smaller sea level changes. Now it's back to the team.
Great, thanks for that, Livio. That's all from us for this Monday. Thanks very much for your company. A reminder, you can watch a replay of our news on the 7plus app or catch up on our page 7news.com.au. And from all of us here, good night.